Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fruit salsa and cinnamon and sugar tortilla chips. So first I'm going to make my tortilla chips. I just cut a tortilla into 8 pieces. Some of them are a little rough, but that's okay. And now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of sugar and put it in my bowl. Then next I'm going to add cinnamon to it. You kind of want a lot of cinnamon. And I'm gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna add some more cinnamon. A little more cinnamon. Okay. Next, I'm going to get out my pan. And then I'm going to take the tortilla chip and I'm going to coat it with butter. Then I'm going to lay it on my pan and just add a little bit of my cinnamon and sugar. Then flip it around. So I'm gonna keep doing that with each one.